Are you drawn to work that involves solving problems, building and fixing things? At Hampton Lumber, skilled trades are built around that kind of work. Tinkerers, problem solvers, builders, and people just starting out, all are welcome here. That's where our apprenticeships come in. At Hampton Lumber, apprenticeships are a path our employees grow into. They're designed for people who show up, take initiative, and want to keep developing their skills. An apprenticeship means learning a skilled trade by doing the work, with training, support, and a paycheck from day one. Once selected for an in-house apprenticeship, we cover the cost of your education, including tuition and books, and provide flexible schedules for any required class time. You'll work side by side with experienced trades professionals, building skills on the job, step by step. Over time, that training leads to specialized roles that keep our sawmills running safely and efficiently. Millwrights install, maintain, and repair machinery, making sure the mill runs the way it should. Electricians build and maintain the electrical systems that power our operations, troubleshooting issues as they arise. Saw filers use specialized, high-tech equipment to keep our saws precise and production moving. Whether you're new to the forest sector or ready for your next step, we'll meet you where you're at and help you grow. With locations across Oregon, Washington, British Columbia, and soon South Carolina, skilled trade careers grow here. Learn more at hamptonlumber.com/careers.